couple of weeks into my revisited review of the Pixel 6 Pro, so I figured let's treat the little thing. So I have the Pixel Buds Pro. Let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So picked up the Pixel Buds Pro, and this is the fog color. Yes, fog. Picked these up to match my white Pixel, so I thought I would go for something a little bit different. So let's check these out. So all of the packaging now, everything is literally paper. There is very little plastic, even here on the buds themselves. It's pretty cool. I'm glad to see it. And in the box then we have ear tips. Oh, that's pretty funky. That's pretty cool. So that would be little and large. Like that actually, a little tube. That's pretty cool. And that's it. Not even a cable. Boys, a dear. Just tips. Not even a cable with them anymore. Boys, a dear. So if you have used the Pixel A series buds, the case is pretty much identical to the A series. Same sort of like matte material. USB-C charging port there. Reset button. And there are the buds. I don't know why, but the box makes them feel massive, makes them look massive, but they're actually not. They're quite petite, which is pretty nice. Right, so let's get these paired to the Pixel. Look at that, Pixel Buds Pro. Beautiful. Connect, please. Oh, done. Set up device. Pixel Buds delay. Aye. Started. Accept. Try on your earbuds. So there's a little guide here. Oh, it's playing a little noise. There we go. Try on your earbuds, check your ear tips seal. Okay, check now. Your earbuds sound great. Learn touch controls. So swipe forward, raise volume. Oh wow, that works really well. Swipe backwards. Yeah. Do you know what? There's next to no latency there when you're swiping, which is pretty sweet. I've tried a couple different headphones with swipe gestures on them, and they've sort of been a bit iffy. That's pretty flawless there. I'm sure if you can see that on the video there. Touch and hold, active noise control, or Google Assistant. What do you mean or? Okay. Single tap, play, pause, or answer a call. Double tap, triple tap. Those are a perfect set of commands, and everything's just simple and straightforward. Love it. Keep track of your earbuds when you misplace them. Tap and accept. Yep, sure. Get help from Google Assistant. Put on your earbuds to set up your personal assistant. Sure, go for it. Add touch and hold. Allow your assistant to read notifications to you. Yes, because I don't know about you guys, but if you have AirPods and an iPhone, Siri reading out your messages to you is so good. So yes, turn that on please. Android Auto. Sure. Select your music provider. Apple Music. Don't judge me. Hey Google. Look at that. Now I will say I do love on the Pixel Buds, I do love the little sort of menu and app that you get to control them. Fantastic. You get that with the likes of the Beats Buds and the Sonys and the Bose and all that sort of stuff. It's really cool. And you get it's plain and simple. This is the sort of thing I'd like to see with AirPods. I'd like to see a designated app in iPhone to simply do these simple things. That's all I really want, to be honest. I just want to be able to go in and, you know, doof around with bits and pieces and things like that there. It's not a big ask, to be honest. Right, let's try these bad boys out. They're really, really comfortable, actually. I'm really surprised. Right, we need to do the shake test. If I can keep my glasses on my face. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're not moving. That's pretty good. So that's noise cancellation is off. So now that I've turned on Google Assistant, it seems to be overriding my noise cancellation, which is a bit frustrating. Wow. Those volume controls are perfect. Like even there, it's not even registering that as a tap. It knows that I'm swiping. That's really, really good. That's the one thing that annoys me about AirPods, is that you can't control the volume on the buds. It's so frustrating. But that's really good. I'm really surprised at how good that is. They're quite bassy. So with me turning on Google Assistant, it has overridden the press and hold to turn on the noise cancellation. So yeah, bit of an issue with these then. So when I was setting up and I turned on Google Assistant, noise cancellation wouldn't work, which was a bit rubbish. So every time I pressed and held the buds, it just kicked in the Google Assistant. I've been reading up a bit on these, and in the device settings, you know, there should be bits in there for like touch controls and stuff like that there, and there's nothing in there whatsoever. So even now that I've turned off Google Assistant, noise cancellation still doesn't seem to be working. I might have to reset these, try it again. Right, so I've just factory reset these, so let's give this another go. This is a great experience. Right, just going through the setup process again. So this is a bit strange. Now I've reset these and repaired them, I've now got all of these options in the menu, which is a bit weird. Why weren't they there before? But I've now, as I'm sure you can see there, I've now got the buds themselves, the case, I've got Google Assistant, touch controls, all those other things that just weren't there before, which is a bit weird. Just check firmware updates, they're fully up to date. Add widget to home screen. Yes please. It's pretty sweet. Right, let's try that again. I don't know what happened there during the pairing of these buds, but something's went a bit ski with somewhere. There we go. So touch controls, touch and hold, customize, noise cancellation, right earbud, and then left earbud, talk to assistant. That's okay. Change 2 to 3 modes to toggle. Right, so I'll set that now. So that's pretty good now. Now those options have showed up, which is pretty sweet. So now right earbud, bingo. That's also in noise cancellation now. Not bad, definitely not bad. Out of the other Android buds that I have tried, the likes of the Galaxy Buds 2 and the Galaxy Buds Pro, this is definitely better than them, for sure. I wouldn't say the noise cancellation would be better than AirPods Pro, but it's a lot better than those other buds, definitely. And transparency is great on it as well, which is really good. There's a good bit of bass out of these buds. I really do like that. Mids are pretty clear, treble decent. I must say these are really, really good. I'm really surprised. Well, actually I'm not. This is the mic test of the Pixel Buds Pro on the Pixel 6 Pro. What do you guys think? What's the audio quality like? Let me know in the comments down below. These are really good. Now I did love the A series buds. Thought they were fantastic. There was, you know, they were sort of budget end buds, and they were sort of, you know, they didn't have noise cancellation, they didn't have wireless charging in the case, but for the price now, and I think now the last time I seen them, you could get them for about £69 on Amazon, which is an absolute bargain for wireless earbuds. You know, especially from a big brand, you know, like Google, for the likes of the Pixel. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic value. These are no exception to that. The fit is great, the audio is great, noise cancellation is good. Okay, I'm not going to say it's the best I've ever heard in wireless earbuds, because it's not, but it is good. Transparency is also very good as well. And the touch controls, I will say, are absolutely perfect on these. I have not had any issues with any of the touch controls, and unlike a lot of other buds that I've seen, volume up and down is absolutely flawless. And I'm not even talking wireless buds, I'm talking like even wireless overheads with big massive touch pads. These are still more accurate. Fantastic. Google, if you have a Pixel these are fantastic. Pick these up for your Pixel. If you have any other Android phone, do you know what? You wouldn't do bad to do this. And if you get these and you download that Pixel Buds app into your Android phone, you're going to get a flawless experience. It's fantastic, top notch. I would really recommend these. And again, if looking at the Pixel A series buds, which you can get them now so cheap on the likes of Amazon, if you don't want to pay the $179 for these right now, definitely keep an eye on Amazon because you'll get a bargain for these. Fantastic. Wireless charging as well. There's no cable in the case, but let's face it, who uses cables nowadays anyway? Wireless charging. Set it down. Job done. Pick these up. Love them. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, smash that like button for me. And don't forget, click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this. So now that I have the buds for my Pixel, I can now crack on and keep reviewing my Pixel 6 Pro. So stay locked to the channel, guys. There will be a revisited review of the 6 Pro coming. So keep it locked to the channel for that. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.